Hi, I'm Kyle.
And I'm Clint.
And this is Jeffrey.
What are you looking at?
And we're CoMo Medical. Clint and I met 2 years ago at the University of Missouri Biodesign and Innovation Program.
We were immersed in clinical environments such as operating rooms, veterinary medicine, and even a dairy farm with one simple goal in mind.
To make something awesome.
No, it's to make money. With one simple goal in mind.
Find unmet, marketable needs ripe for development. So what's the deal with all this foam we've been spraying? Well, that, my friends, is why we're making this high-quality video.
While we were in the OR, we noticed an inordinate amount of time and effort put into the preoperative surgical site preparation.
Each patient is prepped with a wet prep kit, and for eye procedures, the antiseptic in the kit is too strong, so a substitute solution is needed.
Now look, these preps have been around since like World War II. They're time-consuming, labor-intensive, they can even be painful to a patient, and you have to adhere to a strict protocol.
Additionally, nurses complain that liquid tends to run down into the ear or can easily accidentally drip on the non-operative eye, causing pain.
And all this prep is done by a nurse only wearing a glove, making the risk of accidental contamination a high possibility.
And the boring part's over. Now for the fun.
Instead of requiring nurses to use this pain in the beep protocol, we've changed the dosage form to a foam.
The foam's much faster, it requires less work, it's easier, and it's fun. By using foam as an antiseptic, it opens up a lot of time for nurses to prep the rest of the OR for the procedure.
Here's what the two preps look like side by side. While the foam stays conveniently in place, the liquid must be continually applied to maintain antiseptic contact.
And here's what the prep looks like in the clinic.
As you can see, the nurse on the left has to continually paint the site over and over and over,
while the nurse on the right is free to do, well, whatever they need to. Alright, so maybe we embellished a little bit on that last clip.
You know, I think we did a little, Kyle. Can we really save hours per procedure? No, most of these procedures only last about 5 minutes, but what we can do is streamline the process and shave about 1 to 2 minutes per procedure.
And in high-volume cataract centers, time is money. About $62 a minute by some estimates.
And when you throw in the possibility of reduced infection rates, it's only a matter of time before we're able to infiltrate the cataract market, which is about 20 million procedures per year.
That just leaves us with the budget. Initial testing on Petri dish and pigskin substrates has been extremely encouraging. We've submitted a publication on the in vitro results, making clinical testing the next logical step. The $50,000 will cover the cost of manufacturing sterile product and will also allow us to conduct a clinical trial already approved by the University of Missouri Internal Review Board.
We're going to take that data and go get external funding to help navigate the FDA approval process.
So there's just one question. Are you with us?
Are you?
Are you? CoMo Medical, LLC, owned and operated by Clint Matthews and Kyle Rude. No mannequins were harmed in the making of this film.
You got to admit, it's fun.